Hello guys, welcome back. This is K Hayes for After Effects tutorial channel, and welcome back to another new After Effects tutorial, how to make a fireworks particle in Adobe After Effects. Let's start. First, create a new project and create a new composition and change the presets HD and set firework FW, change the time 0.3 seconds 0 and press OK. Fit your composition, then create a new solid and right here particles line, press OK. Go to effects. Here is red giant Trapcode particular. So now there is the point. Move the point left down side and go to emitter, stopwatch the position and go to 15 frame. Move it up and now play. Here is. What kind of fireworks is this? In there we call this fishing. Okay? So fit your composition and select. Need a little bit edit the particular setting. Change the velocity, press Ctrl down and go to particles. Set the size to and press Ctrl slowly down the life seconds. Here is, and go to opacity over life. Select the second graph and go to size over life. Set the second graph. So now press Ctrl, increase the size and set the velocity up to 25 or 35. For looking better realistic fireworks, open the physics parameters and go to air, turbulence field, effect position, make in 200s and play. Here is. So now the time, set the color. Which color do you like? Orange. So go to fader. First select glow sphere and change the fader hundreds. So now after 15 frame, stopwatch the particle seconds and go to 20 frame, make it 0. Okay, select the particle line solid and lock. Right click, create another new solid. Right here, explosion particles, press enter and go back to effects, particular. Set the explosion here at this point and go to emitter. Change the velocity 0. If you want to create to make it fast, explosive. So stopwatch, move the line by page down, page up, make 150, change back to 0. Play now. And now time to setting. Start from particles, make it glow sphere, and set the size 3. Change the particle lines size 2.5. Set the size of the second particles 3.5. And now change the colors, the same color of the particle lines, bright orange, and go to physics, air, select continuously. Where is the continuously? Close again, go to aux system, select continuously, and play. Down the particle aux system size is 1 and increase the particle second 300 is enough, and press Ctrl slowly down the life seconds. Press Ctrl, change it 0.2 and go to size over life, select the second graph, change again 0.3 and go back to opacity over life, select the second graph and change the colors, brighter, more brighter, and go to physics, close the aux system, close the particles, close the emitter, go to physics, press Ctrl, here is the gravity 250 and play. Here is, select the both layers and right click, pre-compose, right here firework 1, press enter and don't forget apply glow effect, double click, control the glow effect setting, control the duplicate, right click, transform to horizontal, change the color by HUE saturation, double click and control D again, double click, change this one color to blue light, need more, double click, select the layer, right click, horizontal, change the colors like this one, fit the screen, and here is the result of the project fireworks, how to create. Hope you like the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.